Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 5 of our Dollar General clearance event deals. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, if you are late to the game this week and you are just now hearing, we have a Dollar General clearance event happening today on Friday, June the 9th, and it is going to run through Sunday, June the 11th. And we have tons and tons and tons and tons of deals to look forward to. Now, I have been uploading videos all week long. I believe I have a total of 7 clearance event videos out for you guys right now. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, while we have focused on our POG clearance items in our clearance section and all of that goodness, we also have some seasonal categories that are included, such as the brown dot home, purple dot home, we have yellow dot toys, we also have the gray diamond socks and the green star socks. All of those categories are going to be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. So, for example, the yellow dot toys went down to 90% off back on Tuesday. So, during the clearance event, these are going to be 95% off. And also, don't forget that we have Memorial Day flowers, as well as select hand sanitizers and wipes. Those are going to be 50% off of their regular price. And then we also have a few sales going on. We have the lawn and garden items, buy 2, get 1 for free. There are the details on that on your screen. Then we also have green dot home items, buy 2, get 1 for free. And then we also have select sun care. So that is the Wild Tropics and the Studio Selection. Those are also going to be on sale, buy 1, get 1 free. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and jump right in and take a look at a few more deals that I found last night. Now I'm going to be honest with you all, I am already running late this morning. We actually have a soccer tournament that we have to go to first before I can even go shopping at the Dollar General clearance event. So I hope you guys are up bright and early, right when the doors open, and I hope you guys can get out there and grab up some of these amazing deals. Now, here are a few feminine care products. We do not have a digital coupon for them, but we do have an Ibotta rebate. So make sure that you have your Ibotta rebates clipped. You do have to, unfortunately, link your account now instead of scanning in your receipt. So just keep that in mind. Alright guys, now coming up next, you all are going to see a few household deals that I found. We do have coupon matchups, and we also have a few rebates to go along with that as well. Again, be careful with Ibotta. Some of these rebates do have the restriction that you cannot combine with coupons, but it does give us another option just in case we don't have enough digital coupons, right? So we do have some really good deals in this category. We have the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. These are actually going to give you some overage if you are at a store with the older registers. Now, if you're at a newer store, that coupon will take off the full amount and make those items completely free. So either way, it's a great deal, so definitely be on the lookout for those. We also have a few Lysol products with a digital coupon. And then here in just a few seconds, you guys are going to see that we also have some dishwasher tablets that we definitely need to be on the lookout for. We have digital coupons as well as rebates to go along with those products. And then after that, I've thrown in a few face care deals. Plus, we also have some really good coupon matchups on razors. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on a little background music, and I'll talk to you guys at the end. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of this video, and again, I just want to thank you all so much for all of your support this week. Thank you all for watching my videos. It really does mean the world to me. I put in a lot of time and effort into putting together all of these slides and finding the coupon matchups and the rebates and all of that stuff, so I really do appreciate it. And again, if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you check out the pinned comment. All of that stuff is going to be linked for you right down below this video. Now, for those amazing, loyal, crazy couponers, you guys know I love you so much. Here is an awesome freebie. Most Dollar Generals have a red box right outside their front doors. So, while you're out and about today shopping at the Dollar General clearance event, go ahead and pick you up a free red box movie. All you have to do is pick out a movie at the kiosk, click checkout, and then there's going to be a place for you to add the promo code, and that will make it completely free. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I do apologize if this video seemed a little bit rushed, but like I said, your girl is running late today. So I'm going to head on out the door. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you guys can get out there and score some amazing deals. Now, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, leave me a thumbs up and a smile down in the comment section below. All those things really do help me out, and I appreciate you guys so much. Alright guys, good luck. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.